What are we doing, everybody?
Eating Lunchables and going to Minnesota.
Why are we going to Minnesota?
Going to Minnesota for a family reunion.
Guess where we are? Oh, hold on a second. That's how humid it is out. Guess where we are? Oh, that's right.
Super baby.
We are at the awesome top of Ahhyeah. It's tracking you. My phone is tracking you. It's focusing on your face. It's putting a square around your face constantly, even when you walk sideways.
Did that?
No, it lost you. Nope, now it's got you back.
Dad, ready?
Yep.
Is it focused on me?
Yep. Still there.
What?
Yep, you didn't lose it. Oh, it's so hot and humid.
Yeah, it's even like already sweating on my shoes. When I walk, it's all slippery.
It's all the humidity.
Lydia, what's Dad doing?
How many times do I have to put this around here?
Is he putting your hair in a pony?
Does it hurt? There's a bump. No.
It's fine. Did Dad put your hair in a pony? He's so awesome.
It's like a
He's so awesome.
oh, we got a bump.
Yeah, Dad did a good job for his first pony. Not even at the border.
We are now at the border. That is what the sign
That
says.
was
Look,
the
welcome
longest-
to Ahhyeah.
No,
the border.
there
Look
is-
right here. The border is back there.
That was the longest honking ever.
That's just the sign that says thanks.
I don't think we needed such excessive honking.
Well, nobody's gonna know because you didn't start the recorder until after we were across the border.
Yeah, true.
What were you doing? I told you like 2 miles ago to this recording. Were you checking Instagram?
No, I was just
Twitter?
sitting waiting for the border.
Community swap?
Oh no.
Texting?
No, I was just waiting for the border.
Reading some article?
Maybe. I don't know. I can't remember now. Hi guys, we're at the border. You can get on technology now. Dad busted out the technology at the rest area 2 miles before the border. Cheating. Yeah.
Okay, we're headed to the family reunion on the farm. Who's excited? Okay, we don't need to yell our answers.
They're whispering it now.
Okay, but first, we need some Starbucks. I feel like we were just here. You just tried to get your coconut thingamajigger, but they didn't have it.
So I went with passion tea lemonade, or passion tea, just passion tea, no sweetener. I should have had a passion tea lemonade.
Starbucks says that they are out of their coconut. That their supplier is not supplying them. I got an iced cafe latte with soy. That way I can survive the day with these children.
Can I have a drink of this? I got a drink of his coffee. Yeah.
Here we go.
Woo!
There's a trampoline in the pool.
Time to get out.
So we're
Oh,
the
hi. I
first
was just
one
going to
here.
start recording.
Okay.
Oh, the farm. This is the sweet old farm that I grew up on. There's the barn that the tornado threw into the house. I wish I had video of the aftermath. There's pictures. I'll show you now because I have some. Here's some pictures. Hey, Dimer, be safe.
Ow. That didn't actually hurt. Bam!
Ow!
Careful, boys. Slow and easy.
Sure, you could eat them. They're
here's
just
the beans
babies.
right here.
You'd have to open them up. They're soybeans, though. This isn't green beans. This is soybeans. Look at it. It's taller than Lydia.
I know. Those are big bean plants, man. They're ready to be harvested. Say cheese.
Say cheese in front of the beans. I don't want the dinosaur in your face.
Cheese.
Cheese, Liddy, cheese, at daddy, cheese. There we go, got it. How's it going, buddy? Riding a four-wheeler with my son. This is where I fell on the horse coming up around this corner. Rolled right over the top of me.
Okay, just wait. Liddy, slow. What did you guys find? I want to take a video of it. I can't see it. Oh, a little butterfly.
Can I hold him? It's really cute.
Does it keep jumping? Did it get him? Oh, flew away again.
No!
It's okay, let him try and then you can try. Is it on your hand? Let me see. It is. Want to try to hold it, Lou? Oh, did you see that, Lou?
I want to hold the toad.
You want to hold the toad? Oh, he's hopping away. Have fun, Lou. Bye, buddy. Have fun. How's it going, Ashton? You can. You can.
Yeah.
Okay, now go.
Don't ring it out.
Oh my goodness.
It's a monster carrot.
Don't eat me.
You're gonna eat that whole carrot.
Oh, yeah.
It's Saturday.
Okay.
No,
No.
ours only go off on Saturday at noon.
Wait, she's
Lydia!
open.
Lydia. There's a reason the puppy's that far away. The puppy was going potty. Okay? You want to pet it now?
Yes, she's done.
Whoa!
Whoa!
Look at this
It's like
one.
fishing.
It's dirty.
It's dirty.
What else is there?
Okay, put him in our...
And then the next day it was completely red.
Just take a bite right off it.
Okay, go ahead.
You want the first bite?
No, you do it.
I'll take the first bite.
Be a man.
There you go.
Taste it's poisonous.
Yeah, yummy.
Is it
Ooh, that
sweet?
sounded crispy and
Can
yummy.
I eat the other one?
Yeah,
you
eat it
can
all.
But that's sour.
You just pulled that right out of the ground.
This is
See,
how
and
you
we could
eat
live
it.
on a
We
farm.
okay on it.
They can
That
handle
is
it.
right.
Don't chase animals.
She told him to.
It's like finally somebody my size.
Oh, Denver. You gonna be okay?
Too much running, too much exercise.
How was your day, everybody?
Good.
What was your favorite thing we did today?
Play in the pool. In the pool.
Should we get our own pool?
Yeah. Yeah.
Is everyone tired?
No. No. I love going in the pool. Can we stay up for a little?
No.
What time is it?
7:30. Okay, let's see a little ice cream cone.
I came with a little ice cream cone. See, it's on top like this, and then I just took it off and I filled it up like a tiny little ice cream cone. Isn't it cute?
I might be having some also.